Hi friends, welcome back to our phonics class. Today we are going to learn about the short I sound. The short I makes an I sound. I, I, as in big, seat and fish. Big, the house is big. Sit, I sit on the chair. Fish, I like to eat fish. Friends, now let's listen to this and please pay attention to the words with the short I sound. This fish is very big. He takes a dip. He takes a sip. He likes to swim. His name is Tim. So friends, how many words with the long I sound that you have listened? Yes, it's 6 words with the long I sound. Fish, big, deep, sip, swim, and Tim. Now, let's try to make a simple sentence with swim and dip. Bye bye friends and see you next time ya.